PC keeps crashing while playing games or rendering. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So if you guys are experiencing some bad gameplay or when you're rendering your device, here are several things that you could do to help fix this. So for example, over here, if you check out your task manager, you might notice that there will be some cached memory over here under your memory. So this could eat up your memory's usage. So what we're going to do is we're going to be clearing this cache over here. So I want you to do this every time you're going to play or you're going to render. So you're simply going to visit Microsoft over here and search for RAM map. Don't worry, this is safe because it's coming directly from Microsoft. So download this and you will be able to receive or download a zip file which contains any of this or this entire thing. After that, simply open RAM map or select and double click them. And we should be able to run this mini software over here. So this will allow us to clear our RAM cache. So let's simply wait for it to respond here. It's a bit laggy on my device, but after this one, we will simply click on the empty option over here. So let's wait for it to load over here. So there we go. As you can see, this is what it would look like. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on empty and click on empty working set or any of this option over here. Anyway, there we go. And what this will basically do is it will empty or clear out our cache, or it should clear out our memory cache over here. So there's a lot of stuff here for now or right now. So let's click empty over here. And it will basically change this, but I have a lot of stuff running. So it will reset your cache over here. And after this, another method that you guys could do is you could navigate to our edit plan or edit battery setting over here. So if you search in your taskbar edit battery setting, you should be able to see this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on change advanced power setting. And you should be able to see this. Simply navigate into our processor and click on maximum and ensure that these are at 100% so that you are able to utilize 100% your processor's ability to work and be able to play and render your games. After that, simply click on apply and you should then be able to have your problem fixed. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.